this video, we'll be reinstalling the original hard drive of this laptop, since we changed it to SSD last time. We'll be reinstalling this one, but we will not be installing it in its same spot. So we will be, instead of installing it using the same position or its SATA connection, this one, we will be reinstalling it as an additional storage using the CD drive of the laptop. Okay, so for this video, you'll be needing your original hard drive, of course, your screwdriver to remove the screws, and then of course you'll be needing this one. This is what we call the HDD Caddy. Okay, so there are two types of caddies. We have the I think this is the bigger one, the thicker one, and we have the slim type. So the slim type is for the slim drive, and this one, since this one is old, this is not a slim type. That's why it's a bit thicker than the slim caddy. Okay, so the first thing to do is you remove the CD drive. So let me just reverse it like this so that you can see it. So you can remove the CD drive, and it's actually being held by, it's either one screw or two screws. So in my case, I know that this is my CD drive, so screws located here will be holding my CD drive. Okay, so there are 3 screws actually, but for other laptops there might be 2 or 1 screw holding the CD drive. So for this, I have this screw. I already removed this one, and also this one and this one. And then after removing the screws, just pull the drive. So just pull it slowly. Okay. Okay, that's it. So after pulling this one, you can now insert the caddy. So you can also use the same orientation. So since I pull this one like this, I can put it like this, so that if I will insert my caddy, it will be going inside with the same orientation as our drive, CD drive. Okay, so let us open our new caddy. So I think, okay, so I bought this one as cheap, actually cheap one. So there are 4 screws holding the drive. Okay, so you can see that we can insert this one here. And take note of the orientation. The orientation is not like that. Of course, it's very obvious that you will not be able to insert it like that, but it's like this. Okay, so we can insert it. Maybe I'll use this one. Okay, insert it, and don't forget to lock the hard drive using the screws provided by the caddy. So there are 4 screws. You can put 4 screws. Okay. And be sure to Be sure that your screws is flushed in so that there will be no hindrance if you're going to put this one inside. The screws here will not be having problem with this part, and I think it's okay. So you can have the 4 screws if you want to, or you can just put 2 screws here. Okay, so as for me, I like to complete 4 screws. Okay, so I'm not sure if that is flushed in, but yeah, you can see the it's a bit thick here, this part. So I think that's okay, but let's see if this will not obstruct our caddy in going in. Okay, let me put the last screw. Okay, so you are now almost done. So let's have to see. This one is flushed like this, so they have the same orientation, so I think I can flush it like that. Okay, so just a trial. Okay, so don't put it in yet. Okay, so I think it's okay. This one is not obstructing the caddy in going in. So before putting this one, be sure that the accessories of this one is also transferred to this part. So you can remove this part, remove this one, and put it in. And then we have this one also. So you can actually remove this part and then screw it in here, and then you can remove also this clip. Okay, so let us remove this one first. Then transfer this one to the caddy. So it's inserted like this. Okay, so always take note of the orientation. Okay, so let's put the screws. Okay, so yes, I think if we insert it, this one will be aligned with that hole. Okay, and for the other piece, or this part, just remove the screws here. If you're planning to change also the CD drive of your laptop using the caddy and installing another storage, the accessories of your CD drive might be different from mine. Okay, so let's put this one in. Okay, then let's put the screws. The other part. Okay, and that's it. The accessories are here. So next we will be transferring this one here. Okay, so you can slowly pry this one out. So I think it's easier for you to remove the accessory if your drive is open. So there's a strategy. If you want to open it, just pin this one, push this one using a pin, and it will automatically this one will automatically come out. Or the other strategy is you can insert this one, turn on your laptop, and then open it, and then just shut down your computer, and then pull your CD drive again. Okay, so it's easier to remove this one because you can see the lock at the back. I cannot show you, but of course you can just slowly pry this out. One, then if with this one open, I can see that there's a lock there, here. Hopefully you can see it. So I can just push it slowly, of course, or you can pry it using your flathead screwdriver to release the lock. Okay, so that's it. You're able to remove this one. Then let us now insert this one in our caddy. Okay, so let's see if it will fit perfectly. Okay, so just fit the locks. There are suggested holes, so you can just fit it. Then let's see. Okay, that one is locked, that one is locked, and I think it fits perfectly. So this one is a bit loose. Okay, so I think you will not be removing this one anyway. So that's it. So all the accessories are transferred. This one, the side one, and then the cover. So all you need to do is, of course, you're going to put it back. Okay. So by the way, this is our caddy. And this is our original CD drive, so that you can see it. Okay, so just put it back. Okay, and that's it. You can, I think the holes align perfectly, and you can put back the screwdriver, the screws. Here, 1, 2, then 3. Okay. So don't throw your old hard drive. You can add it as additional storage for your laptop. Anyway, nowadays I think few use or maximize the drive or the CD, so you can just actually remove it and replace it with the